Let's also go through the workbook, chapter number 9. Play with words. Here you can see the 4 pictures. First one is lamb, sheep, hen, cow and bee. And they have asked, what do these farm animals give us? Match the columns. So here are given some its products. So we have to line it. This we have to do in your book. Okay. The sheep gives wool. Number C. Hen gives eggs. Number A. Cow gives milk. Number D. Bee gives honey. Number B. Okay. I hope you understood that. Then the next one, exercise B. Make a word chain as shown. Your word chain should have at least 4 words. First one they have already shown that can, net, table, eggs, salad. The second one is fish, wish, duck, frog, room, tray, book, home, song, tree, jeep, love, cold, pond, milk, peace, feet, pink, silk, play. Then sixth one, is that hen. Clay, lamp, lion, duck, work, farm, give, take. All these words are contained with 4 words. 4 letters only it's used. That's all they asked us to write. The third exercise is spelling. Fill in the blanks with OU or OW. So when you study the new words, you can fill in the blanks with OU or OW. The first one is CL. Then what comes here is OU, clown. Sorry, here comes OW. This one comes here. Second one, OW, all. Third one, OU, house. Then fourth one, LO, loud. Fifth one, COW, cow. Sixth one, CR, crown. Seventh one, OU, round. Eighth one, F, OU, found. Ninth one, CL. Once again let's go through these words. First one, clown, OW. Second one old, OW. Third one house, OU. Fourth one loud, OU. Fifth one cow, OW. Sixth one crown, OW. Seventh one round, OU. Eighth one found, OU. Ninth one cloud, OU. These all about from the workbook. Then let's also see the chapter 8 workbook exercise. Chapter 8 gift for mummy. In this also the first exercise is given that some pictures as given and the connecting to that words as given, so we have to match the following. So first, here are some things we see at a birthday party. Match the picture with their names. First one is cake. Cake you have to match to here. Number B. This is a hat. Party cats. Number C. Balloons. Number E. Gifts. Number A. Candle. Number D. I hope that you understood. Then next exercise is fill in the blanks with opposites of the given words. Choose words from the box. In your book there are some words in the box. So some words are given opposite of that words we have to write from this box. Go, come. Open, shut. White, black. Small, big. Sad, happy. Push, pull. The next exercise is spelling. Circle the correct spelling. In the first one, the last one is the correct. I will write and I will show you that. First one, A, B, E. Like this A, B, C they have given. In this birthday is the correct word. You have to circle in this. Then second one A. In this session, B is the correct one. You have to circle it. Then the third. In this session, the third one. The fourth one, I am not writing the 3, only the correct spelling I am writing, that is B, S-C-I-E-N-C-E. This is the correct spelling, science. Then the fifth number, music. In this third one comes correct, music. You have to circle the third one. I hope that you understood. 3 I have shown you the model. The rest I have only mentioned the correct spelling. The fourth and fifth correct spelling only I have circled. Then this all about this exercise book.